Hi, this is Vi from Scrappy Mania, and today I'm going to do a product review on this foil quill cutting kit. It's magnetic. I got it at 50% off at Joann's, and it comes with this cutter that folds down for storage. This is a magnetic cutting mat. And then it comes with a magnetic ruler. Let me go ahead and open this. Okay. And I'll take this off. Now I do have some mink foil. I just can't find my mink foil. But the reason why I bought it is because sometimes it's hard for me to cut these things, these foil rolls, and I wanted to see how this will work. So you put your roll on the spool here, and it fits right nicely there. And then you put this one here. So it has a groove. It just fitted inside of this groove here. Okay, slide it in. So there, holds your roll pretty nicely. And then if I want to cut a piece, I use the blade and cut it. Didn't cut that smooth, so let's try it again. And for these large rolls, it doesn't really work, these clamps. So I may need to just not use the clamp and just put the roll down, measure it, and then cut. Oh, it cuts better. I wasn't using it correctly. So I do like it because you can just put it down how much you want to measure. So you measure your die. And I don't know about these clips. I'll put it here. So for this big roll, it works better if you just let it hang, because it doesn't feed it well. It's not tall enough. And then you have to put pressure here, and it works nice. Okay, now let's look at this one. This is a foil from Anna Griffin. It's a thinner foil, so you should be able to use these clips. Just there. We got it all clipped down. This rolls nicely because there's not a lot of foil in it. So then you just measure the amount you want, put your magnetic ruler on there, and just cut it. Oh, it cuts very nice. And you don't need to use these things. The only thing I do not like about this tool is these things are, they're okay. But if you have a large roll like this, they didn't give enough clearance of this. So if they would have made it a little taller, it might have been better. But they made it just for these small little rolls. I do like the magnet. And it's a very nice sturdy ruler, and I do like the cutter. The cutter is very nice. And let's say I need to cut even a smaller piece of this, I can put it down, put my magnetic ruler down, and then cut it. It cuts pretty nice. So you have to use your finger to cut like so, and it cuts very nice. It stores very nice, and I would highly recommend getting this board. I got it at Joann's. I got it at Joann's 50% off, so it came out to about $15 because it's a $30 tool. And I hope you liked this video and this review, and thank you for watching. Bye now.